the sprite that I added here, which is my turtle in my demo, move in response to the mouse. So first thing I'm going to do, instead of just adding the sprite to the drawing here, we're going to save it as a constant that we can refer back to later. So that's going to let me make links between the drawing and the handlers. The game has a click handler built in, so I could do an add click handler, which just gets a function. That function gets an x and a y value. And if I just want to move the turtle to wherever they clicked, all I have to do is say turtle.x equals .x and turtle.y equals y. And that is the world's simplest animation. If you care about these things, you might notice it wasn't centered. So if I want to make it centered, I'll have to say x minus turtle.target width over 2. So in other words, I'm subtracting half the width. So now it's centered, and if I want to center it in the y direction, I'll subtract, make this a little more viewable, minus turtle target height over 2. Now it moves exactly where the mouse is. So that's pretty handy. Now, you're unlikely to want a game that moves quite like that. What you might want to do instead, though, is you might have a game where you respond to the mouse move event, which is when the user drags and the turtle just moves kind of left and right. So, for example, I might just set the turtle.x equal to x minus turtle.target width over 2. So now the turtle just follows the mouse smoothly. So that's kind of a cool game. It'll update as quickly as it can. You can see some lag, but now the turtle is just following the mouse. And if we imagine this as like a vertical scroller where, let's say, things were coming at the turtle and he had to, I don't know, chase the fish or avoid the boats or something, that would be a pretty cool setup for the game. So there you go. That's kind of as easy as it gets. We could use the click. So right now the click moves him exactly where it is, and the drag moves him back and forth, and all I needed was the mouse move. The add click handler, and we just set the turtle.x using the x and the y. Very nice. One other thing you might want to do, I think this will work. Let's try it.